Hi guys, this is a 2008 Holden barina. This car is couldn't start, so we have to find the what's the problem. So we get in the car, we try to start. Keep over turning, but we couldn't start this one. We have to find first the fuel is coming, then after check the fuel pump relay. So I had to go to the fuel pump relay. So this relay box, if you open it, have a look. You can see the fuel pump relay. I mean this one. So, if you want, you can do the swap these two relays, then start. If it works, it's fine. Otherwise, you have to check the fuel pump. I think this guy's problem is the fuel pump. The relays all good. Uh, have a look the fuel pump. Normally in the fuel filter in the back seat, but you have to remove this seat first. Already in here the fuel filter. You have to undo this clip, so it's too tight, and off this clip you have to lift it up this thing, and you can see the 8 mil bolt. You have to undo it, then you can take it out, this filter out. So this is the 2008 Holden barina, the fuel pump and the filter inside of the build. This is the filter inside of the pump. I'm going to dismantle for this one, then got to replace the second-hand fuel pump. So got to dismantle it. Now this part in here. Carefully the sender. There's a one wire connector there to remove it. So tight this one. Good. Good. So, side. This one connector. And this is a pressure regulator. Can off that one. Yep, good. We have another clip in here. The lift up. One inside here. One spring in there, load spring. So we don't need this part. I can keep aside. This is the filter. So if you want, you can remove the pressure regulator. And this filter, the strainer. A bit tight. Then I put the screwdriver here, push. Okay, finally got the fuel pump. Yeah, this is the faulty part. You have to replace this fuel pump, the Regas one, maybe cheap part. So you can leave it here. Here comes some the washer and the spacer. So right side. This is the Holden barina, the fuel filter. So if you want replace this part as well too, but this stage I am not replace the filter, only replace the fuel pump. So I got the Regas, the fuel pump. So I got to put back this one. I have to put spacer and the washer, the ring, and you have to apply some grease. For the lubricant. So this is the inside looks like. Oh, the clicking noise. Good. In here, the pressure regulator. Good. It's been tight. All good. Okay, that's alright. That's the top part. Yep. Good. Clip here. I have to line up properly, so this one line to here, this hole. Make sure the wire is not touching anywhere. This one here is good, this one here good. Yep. Done. Okay, the longer one going to this side, other one in here to go there. Back filter. All done. Put back the fuel filter and the pump. Now we have to go to put back in the car, then have a look we start or not. So everything is put back in the back seat and everything. So we could now restart the car. all good. Car is start and running and everything fine. Have another try. Put the roll up. So everything nice and fine, everything.